to buy you? Cake? What do you want Daddy to give you at Christmas? Oh, what do you want Daddy to give you at Christmas? What gift do you want? Bike. Ah, don't do that. Ay, don't do that, baby. You just ate. No, stand up. Careful. Oh. What do you want to ask for Daddy? Huh? You want Daddy to buy you what? Bike again? How about Elmo? Do you want Elmo? You want. How about chocolate? Ay, Daddy will buy chocolate. Don't do that. Jana, it's bad. Ay, siya, sige. Say bye-bye to Daddy na.
Bye-bye.
Just to face the camera.
Bye-bye.
What will he say after bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
What's next? I?
Bye-bye.
Ay, bye-bye. No, I love you.
I love you.
Oh, face here. Face, look at the camera. What will you say to Daddy?